I'm Ron Burgundy.
And I'm Veronica Cornerstone.
Stay golden, Delonica. That's a wrap.
Good job.
Way to go.
What was that? That is Bush League. We are supposed to be covering the top news stories like climate change and solar energy. I will not have this.
Sir, I'm sorry.
Ron!
You lost that love and feeling. Oh, that love and feeling. You lost that love and feeling.
And we're live in 3, 2, 1.
I'm sorry. Welcome back, Delonica. Today we will be talking about climate change. According to NASA, climate change is a change in Earth's overall climate, such as the average temperature or typical precipitation patterns.
NASA states that during the past century, Earth's climate has been undergoing a change in temperature.
The average temperature has risen almost 2 degrees Fahrenheit, which can severely impact our planet.
Although nature greatly contributes to climate change through changes in Earth's orbit and the amount of energy radiating from the sun, nature isn't entirely to blame.
Through the burning of fossil fuels such as oil, coal, and natural gas, humans have caused the buildup of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere.
These gases trap heat in the atmosphere, overall leading to climate change.
Why should we care? Well, climate change has detrimental effects on our planet.
For example, rising sea levels, melting of glaciers, and changing in rainfall patterns, growing seasons are all direct results of climate change.
This affects humans as well because floods, droughts, and heat waves will become more common as the temperature rises.
Not to mention, hurricanes become stronger and more destructive as Earth's climate changes.
How can we stop this? Well, we can stop driving as much, carpool, and possibly use other forms of public transportation, or maybe we can just walk or ride bikes everywhere.
However, all of these solutions have costs to humans, such as not being able to get to the places as fast as we want to.
There's only one answer, and that answer is solar energy. Hang around while we play a short video.
Solar energy is obviously an abundant resource because it comes from the sun. In fact, 20 days of sunshine falling on the earth is equivalent to all the coal, oil, and natural gas known to humans. How does solar energy work? Well, solar energy is commonly harvested through photovoltaics, which directly converts light to electricity. This allows for solar panels to collect thermal energy radiating from the sun and turn it into electricity to power homes, businesses, etc.
Some solar technologies can also be built at utility scale to produce energy as a central power plant. Solar energy is sustainable and beneficial to the environment because it has zero carbon emissions. Although there may be some greenhouse gas emissions produced during the manufacturing and recycling of solar systems, solar energy will produce zero greenhouse gases and have no serious environmental impacts over time. A few incentives for people to convert to solar energy are tax credits, upfront rebates, and higher performance based on energy production. In addition, multiple individuals or organizations can financially benefit from solar energy by purchasing a solar facility and selling electricity to the public.
Think solar energy is unreliable? Actually, solar panels come with a 25-year warranty and usually last longer than that. Boy, I tell you what. Gas is so daggum expensive, it's gonna be near the death of me.
I hear you, man. It's super expensive.
Hey, you guys should invest in solar energy. You'll save a ton of money.
What in tarnation was that? Solar panels can be deployed on rooftops or ground-mounted arrays close to where the energy is used, such as the outskirts of a city.
Over time, solar energy will save you so much money.
Residential solar panels are typically sized from 3 to 8 kilowatts and end up costing between $15,000 and $40,000. The total cost is split between the actual system, installation, and operational cost. Operational cost includes monitoring, maintenance, repair, insurance, and overhead costs.
You know, this whole solar panel thing's got me thinking, what happens if it's cloudy outside?
Well, if it's higher up, it'll access the sun rays easier.
Are you serious?
Dead
I'll be
serious.
dang.
Hand it to him, Eric.
There you go,
Set
man.
it right there. See that? Now it's a good bit closer. If I can just get it to stay.
See, that's perfect.
Hell yeah.
I'll be dang. It does work.
Everyone receives at least a 30% federal tax credit, which is a great incentive to invest in solar energy. Solar farms' cost per acre is typically $500,000 here in the United States. A 1 megawatt solar farm project will typically cost somewhere around $2.5 million and require a site no less than 5 acres.
However, solar energy does come with certain costs dealing with land use and the manufacture of hazardous materials. Land degradation and habitat loss are two of the main concerns when discussing larger utility-scale solar facilities. Unlike wind facilities, there is less opportunity for solar projects to share land with agricultural uses, such as farming and harvesting crops. However, smaller scale solar panel systems can be mounted on houses or business buildings to provide power. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrogen fluoride, and acetone are just a few of the harmful chemicals used to produce solar panels. On the other hand, if recycled correctly, solar panels will cause no harm to the environment.
I'm Ron Burgundy.
And I'm Veronica Cornerstone.
Stay golden, Dahlonega.
You lost that love and feeling. Oh,